Hi friends, Running Kimono here. In today's video, I just want to keep it 100 with you. I'm going to share my experience with Fetch Rewards, Fetchtopia, and how things kind of went sideways. Your experience might be perfect, but mine and many is the opposite, where things are just not going so well, and I'm asking them to do better. Fetch Rewards do better. So, to paint the story, I'm going to do this really quickly. On Wednesday, they started Fetchtopia, where certain offers were doubled. Got myself to Dollar Tree. I bought some caress and pawns. I was supposed to get back 18,000 points, submitted my receipt, and got back 25. 18,000 to 25, huge mathematical difference. For the next 2 days, they were still processing it. And once they got somebody to look at the receipt and process it, they decided 25 points is what you're going to get when you shop at Dollar Saver. I shopped at Dollar Tree. This is where everybody from Michigan goes. We take a weekend road trip to Dollar Saver in Georgia and do our shopping for Fetch Rewards because that's exactly where it is. I don't know where this store is. I don't know why they said I was shopping there, but it's just par for the course with this app, my experience that I'm sharing. So into, I think, like 72 hours of this, I had to go in the app, go into the help center, and then manually write to one of their customer service reps because trying to rectify the error, they wouldn't help me. They just gave me the 25 points. And then they also said, you're still shopping at Dollar Saver. So okay. So I went in the help center. I sent a pretty concise message saying, hey, I need some help. You have the wrong store and I should have been awarded 18,000. Contact us. So once whatever you write, it'll end up in your ticket and that's where the log of the chat will be. And the rep said, hey, we're only going to give you half. We'll give you caress, but we're not giving you pawns. And the pawns rebate was at Dollar Tree, but they changed it from Dollar Tree to not including Dollar Tree by the time 3 days later when I got to them. So I lost out on that money, but they met me halfway because I put in a ticket. If I would have just corrected the receipt, I would have only gotten 25 points. So anytime you have something like this, grab screenshots of the offer, the store, the receipt, and this is how you'll have to rectify it if your account is in limbo like mine. For 3 days, like I had no idea what was going on. And this isn't just me, guys. I threw this on my Instagram, and so many other shoppers are also dealing with this. And, people have had their accounts closed down. Go to my Instagram and read. I'm not going to read this all verbatim, but it's not just me being hyperbolic and excited about, oh, she lost a couple of bucks. No, it's a lot of people losing a lot of money. And that's why I can't get behind Fetchtopia, because if they're going to do this thing where they're going to try and double offers to get people really using their app, they got to meet us halfway or just remove the offer once it's gone. Like IBOTTA, sometimes for certain offers, there's like 10,000, 20,000. After that, it vanishes. Do that. Do the same thing. Because to leave it up there for a lot of us thinking that we're going to get it, to not get it, and then have to deal with customer service 3 days post, it's not cool. It's not a vibe. It's not a thing. And if anybody from Fetch is watching this, the extreme couponing community, we built your app and we use your app. The games, the leaderboard, nobody cares about. So focus on customer service, focus on working with couponers and making us happy. And these disappearing gift cards happened to me once before and a bunch of my other people on Instagram. If you go and read my Instagram feed, lots of this. I just really think Fetch needs to do better. This is my opinion only, my story that I'm sharing. I cropped everybody's face out in this, but I'm sure they don't really mind. People are really frustrated. And if you are going to use the Fetch Rewards app moving forward, screenshot of the offer, screenshot of the store, and have a great photo of your receipt. And I would go to a store where you could easily return things if the deal goes sideways. Because I don't even think you can return HBA stuff at Dollar Tree. I might be wrong, but, I took a gamble and, that was messy. That's it for this video, guys. And Fetch Rewards, do better.